Okay, my peeps, let's make some cute mini patriotic ice cream cups with an ice cream scoop using a silicone mold. I got this cute little cup. I don't know if it's a cup, but I got it from Dollar Tree, and I got the little mini spoon from Dollar Tree. So you're gonna need an ice cream scoop mold. You don't need an ice cream scoop mold, but this mold fits perfectly in that little cup. And you're just gonna get you some red clay, some blue clay, put them together and squeeze them into this mold. Okay, now you want to make sure that you press it down so you get that nice ice cream texture. Okay, take off any excess that you don't need, any excess clay that you don't need. Just, you know, grab it up, put it to the side, and make sure you just press that mold down because we want all the ice cream texture. Okay, so you're just gonna pop it out. If you have issues with your clay sticking to your mold, use some baby oil. You get a brush and rub some baby oil in there and you'll be good to go. See how perfectly that little scoop fits in that cup? I don't know if it's a cup, y'all. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I got some spackle, right? A little bit of spackle, and I sprayed it with some water. And I made it runny so it could be like a drip. That's what I'm gonna put on top of the ice cream. Now you can make a chocolate drip if you want. A red drip, whatever color you want. I picked white because I just kind of wanted to keep it. You guys know how I am. I just wanted to keep it like with the color theme. But you could definitely make a chocolate drip. That would look cute too. But I just chose a white drip, okay? So now these are holly berries from like Christmas time. But they make perfect little cherries for these little ice cream cups. So I just took one off. I kept the wire on actually, and that's the stem of my cherry. So then I got some patriotic sprinkles, and I'm going to just throw some here, throw some there. You know, I put some little American flags on there. And then I got this sprinkle mix is a mixture of little stars, balls, regular sprinkles, and all that good stuff. But you put whatever you want on it. It's your ice cream. So I'm gonna take the spoon, but I don't need the spoon part. I just need the handle part, and I'm gonna stick it in the ice cream. So we got our little mini ice cream, and then of course you gotta put some glitter. This is my favorite shimmer glitter, and I'm putting that up on there, and that's it. Can't be easier than that. And look how cute they are. And you can make a ton of these for very cheap. Okay, guys, go make you some and put them on your tier trays. Talk to you soon. Bye.